Hey guys, we're back here again. We got the follow-up video for the magazine here, the Bulgarian sourced steel magazine for your AR-15 right here, guys. So I just want to do a quick rundown of what it looked like after I took it out of the package. I cleaned off all the oil and grease they actually had on the actual magazine, because whenever you get these things in the plastic magazine, the entire magazine body is completely covered with like a thick oil resin or something like that. So I basically put it in my ultrasonic jeweler's cleaners tank and ran for about 10 minutes in there and cleaned off all the oil, sprayed it off so it's relatively clean. And now right here for that, so looks good. This is what it looks like right here after you get done cleaning up specifically. Here's the other side. They do have a plastic faller or some kind of a polymer faller right here, so they do have a polymer style faller on it, similar to like an AK style magazine faller right there for that. Plus, in order to disassemble them, you simply push this button right back here and just slide the whole thing out just like that. You push down on a button right back here, you push this button in, and this thing slides straight off for that right there as well too. So that's what it looks like. These mags are relatively cheap in cost, so we'll be doing a follow-up video up at the cabin here probably sometime this week or next week hopefully, and we'll see how this magazine functions, and we'll go from there for that. These things do have like some kind of a baked on enamel coating on here for that. I don't know what it's called exactly, but they have some kind of baked on enamel coating on the external surface of the entire magazine, plus it's also on the internal structure of the magazine as well too down inside, so let me get a better shot for that. Down inside here you also got the black enamel down inside the magazine's body. So that's what it is. Magazines are about $9-10 bucks right here from the link I had at the bottom of the previous video's information tag. And these are supposedly sourced or made in Bulgaria, and they were imported in the United States, I guess, pretty recently, probably this past year. And this is one of the examples of what the magazine looks like in general, and the actual bottom of it as well too down here for that. So I'll make a quick follow-up video here about the actual internal structure right here, and I'll go ahead and take it apart here and show you what it guys looks like inside. And stay tuned, guys, so we'll be doing that video in the next video segment here, guys. I'll see you. Have a nice day.